So you want to implement artificial intelligence AI in your workplace. Great! Now what? Hi, I'm Elizabeth Preston, and I'm an executive consultant at Hurley Wright. While AI can be a great tool for writing and research, if your team doesn't have a solid foundation in writing, critical thinking, and in using the AI, then the AI will only exacerbate any writing issues your team has. But wait, doesn't AI fix writing problems, you may ask? Yes and no. AI such as spell check can help with certain issues. But here's the dirty little secret of writing tool AIs. If poor writing goes into the AI machine, then only poor writing will come out of the AI machine. AI won't fix issues of logic, technical accuracy, and audience awareness. AI even has trouble with context, so you may not get the grammatical structures or spelling that fit with what you're trying to communicate. AI can be useful in aggregating data and giving writers a base document with which to work with, but that's only if the writers themselves have solid writing skills and if the writer has knowledge in how to use the AI in an ethical and efficient way. Without this knowledge, writers risk spending too much time redoing AI-generated text, thereby wasting time and money. They also risk letting things get out on the internet that just shouldn't be out on the internet, such as intellectual property and clients' private information. Hurley Wright's 3-level AI workshop will ensure that your team has the writing and AI skills needed to make using AI efficient and effective for your organization. Level 1 helps your team identify what writing issues they may have and pinpoint what AI tool would work best for your team. If you've already decided on what AI tool to use, then you can skip to Level 2, where we'll help your team develop a foundation on how to apply their logic and critical thinking skills to create AI strategies to write and automate tasks more efficiently. Level 3 of the workshop trains your team to use specific AI tools to meet your organization's writing and communication goals. This workshop is highly tailored to your team and organization, so you won't find it anywhere else. Because if writing training isn't tailored to your needs and goals, then don't expect it to last. Call Hurley Wright today at 877-249-7483 or email us at info@hurleywright.com and let us help you master AI and be on the cutting edge of writing.